Hi, in this video we're going to discuss automations. This automation process, it seems very simple, but it can get really complex depending on how deep you want to go into this rabbit hole. So let me give you kind of an example here. Let's create a new automation to welcome a new subscriber. So you click here, you select your list, whichever list you want it to be. Let's just use this one for just this purpose. I'm just going to call this a demo, whatever you guys want. You can call it. It's all internal. Nobody sees it but you. Click Get Started. And there it goes. So as you look here, it forms kind of a tree. So here you can click and you can select what you want the action to do. Okay, and it even tells you your streamline communication, blah, 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 all the good stuff. You can read it yourself. I don't have to read it for you, I'm sure. Okay, and then here you have several options. You have send an email, wait, evaluate a condition, or an operation to be performed. So let's explore these. Let's go with the send an email part first. Okay, and then you go ahead and create your email just like you would a normal email, like a broadcast or what have you. And you can do it that way. And then you can, let's just kind of give it a demo from Steve from email, whatever email you want to use, and then of course you want to use your tracking domain. Select it just like you would, like I said, like creating a normal broadcast in AltMailer. Click Save and Next. Whoops, didn't bother to do it right. Let's do it again. Sorry about that. Okay, and then now you, like I said, you can create the email. It's all the same basic process that you would for using any of the typical broadcasts. So we'll use my saved one, use the Pro Builder, and then you create your email. So save and close, and then you click next, so forth and so on. So you send a test email or close, whatever you want to do. Okay. Then you can add other additional features. So here you could say like evaluate a condition. Okay. Subscriber reads an email, that means that they opened it, or if they click on something, you choose the link, how many days to wait. You can customize that as well. So let's just say 1 day, just for the sake of playing with this thing here. And then you have a decision tree. If they do X, like for example, yes, they click on it, whatever, then you click here and you can either send them an email or evaluate a condition or an operation, whatever. So we'll use this here, update contacts attributes or tag the contact. So like for example, let's say you send out an email about a product or a service or something such as that, and they click on it, then you can add them. You can add a tag to the contact, and you can either choose a tag that you've already created or you can create a new one on the fly here. So we'll just put demo here too, just for the fun of it. Click save, and then if they decide not to do whatever the action is, then you can take a second action like send them another email or wait or evaluate a condition, etc. So like I said, you can get really deep into these into this process and have a very sophisticated automation routine. I don't want to get too deep into it, but like I said, if you spend a little time playing with it, you'll get the hang of it. But if you have any questions, as usual, feel free to hit us up on support, and we'll do our best to help you through it. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.